The Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is a remarkable entry in the smartwatch market, especially for those who appreciate a blend of high-end design and comprehensive health features. Here's a detailed review based on the latest information. Let's get started. Now, in terms of design and build quality, the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition boasts a bold and classy design featuring a titanium build with a diamond-like carbon coating. It's a large watch with a 49mm case and a weight of 65 grams without the strap, making it a statement piece that's more suited to larger wrists. The design is both luxurious and functional, with a focus on durability and style. Moving on with the display, the watch equipped with a 1.5-inch bright and large LTPO AMOLED touchscreen covered with sapphire glass and a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and 310 ppi density. The display quality is excellent, offering vibrant colors and crisp details and supports always-on display. Now, if we talk about the health and fitness features, Huawei has packed the Watch 4 Pro Space Edition with an impressive array of health features. It excels as a fitness, wellness, and health-focused watch, providing users with a wide range of tracking options. The Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is a powerhouse. Here's a quick review of its capabilities. In terms of health monitoring, it has TrueSync 5.5 Plus technology that offers precise heart rate monitoring. SpO2 tracking monitors blood oxygen level around the clock 24/7. It has a skin temperature, keeps track of your body temperature, adding another layer to the health tracking. With ECG analysis, provides electrocardiogram readings for heart health monitoring. With sleeping breathing patterns that tracks your breathing during sleep, which can be indicative to overall health. It also has the activity rings. The app introduces fresh new activity rings that visually represents your daily activity goals and progress. It also includes over 100 workout modes catering to a wide range of activities, including diving and mountain hikes. There's a new feature called Health at a Glance 2.0. This feature provides a quick overview of your health data, such as heart rate, blood oxygen level, stress, skin temperature, ECG, PWA or pulse width arrhythmia analysis, and arterial stiffness detection. It also has the health trend analysis. The app analyzes your health data over the time, giving you insight into your health trends. It also has the respiratory check. For at-risk users, the app offers a comprehensive respiratory check to monitor breathing health. Now, in terms of fitness tracking, it has diving features. The watch meets the EN 13319 standard certification for diving accessories and supports free diving up to 30 meters. It also has the running metrics, includes running ability index, route uploading, VO2 max, and Strava syncing for the runners. Now, moving on with its ecosystem and compatibility, while the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, the ecosystem is somewhat limited compared to watchOS and Wear OS. The lack of apps and a basic ecosystem might be a deal breaker for some, especially considering the price point. In terms of the battery life and charging, the watch offers a very good battery life, which is significant plus for users who don't want to charge their device frequently. However, the charging speed is described as slow, which could be a minor inconvenience. Now, let's talk about the price and the value. This device priced at 2,399 dirhams here in Dubai. The Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is positioned as a premium device. It justifies its price with high-quality materials and features like LTE connectivity. However, potential buyers might weigh the cost against the limitations of the ecosystem and the availability of the comparable alternatives. Now, here is my final conclusion. The Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is an excellent choice for Android users looking for a premium smartwatch with a focus on health and fitness. Its design and build quality are top-notch, and it offers a range of features that are hard to find in other Android-compatible watches. However, iPhone users and those who prioritize a rich app ecosystem might find better value elsewhere. For tech enthusiasts who value design and health features over a broad app ecosystem, the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is a compelling option provided the price tag fits within their budget. Alright, that's our comprehensive review of the latest Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.